Instant entomology learning. Origin of insects. By Hiran Gogoi. Department of Zoology, Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh. Before to the discussion on the origin of the insects, we should know about the myriapods, subphylum Myriapoda, and the crustaceans, subphylum Crustacea of phylum Arthropoda. Myriapods have many legs, single pair of antennae and simple eyes. The mandibles are located inside the mouth. Examples: millipedes, commonly known as the thousand-leggers; centipedes, commonly known as hundred-leggers. Simple eyes have only a single lens, while compound eyes have many lenses. Each of these lenses and associated structural units is called an ommatidium, plural ommatidia. Crustaceans are the only arthropods with two pairs of antennae. The appendages except for the first pair of antennae are usually biramous. In some, one of the branches has been lost during evolutionary specialization. All crustaceans pass through the nauplius larva stage. The nauplius hatches with three pairs of appendages and metamorphoses through several stages before reaching maturity. In many groups, this nauplius stage is passed in the egg, resulting in direct development. Examples: brine shrimp, horseshoe shrimp, barnacles, copepods, lobsters, crabs, woodlouse. Both the myriapods, for example millipedes and centipedes, and the insects have antennae, a tracheal system for respiration, and Malpighian tubules for excretion. Spermatophore mediates sperm transfer in both groups. Due to these similarities, it was long accepted that myriapods and insects had a common ancestor. Today, it is widely accepted that insects are not the closest relatives of myriapods but of aquatic crustaceans. The crustaceans and hexapods are together known as Pancrustacea. Common ancestorship of Pancrustacea has been confirmed by analyses of multigene data sets and transcriptomic data. It is evident that insects are terrestrial crustaceans, and probably closely related to the highly specialized cave-dwelling crustacean Remipedia, a class of crustacea with only around 20 known free-swimming eyeless species. The Pancrustacea hypothesis implies that both myriapods and hexapods have acquired terrestrial habits independent of each other. Consequently, the tracheal system, Malpighian tubules, sperm transfer via a spermatophore, and other features common with myriapods have evolved independently, which can be explained by a strong and similar selective pressure related to the change to the terrestrial environment. The oldest known fossil insects are from the early Devonian, around 412 million years ago, which has led to the hypothesis that insects originated in the late Silurian. The Silurian period is known for the establishment of the earliest terrestrial ecosystems. Molecular data, however, point to the earlier periods, the Cambrian, or at least early Ordovician origin, indicating early diversification of insects in marine or coastal environments. But, because of the absence of insect fossils from the Cambrian to the Silurian, these conclusions remain highly controversial.